Hi guys, how's it going? This is the first day of 2020. How are you doing so far? Did you stay up late last night for the changing year? Anyways, for today's recipe vlog, it is stir-fry king oyster mushroom. It is pretty good to be paired with kimchi and warm rice or as is. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! What I have here is 400 gram of oyster mushroom, which is 4 box. One box is 100 gram, and 3 king oyster mushroom. We're gonna rinse it and just slice it roughly into your wok or pan. 2 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, 1 super heaping tablespoon of store-bought minced garlic, half bag of julienne carrots, which is about 100 gram, and then 2 bunches of flat parsley. If you have coriander leaves, that would be nice as well. This is 2 bunches of spring onions. This is about 12 spring onions. So just rinse the veggies and then slice them and place them into the wok. Once you rinse the oyster mushroom and the king oyster, just slice the king oyster as shown on this video. And for the oyster mushroom itself, I just rip it with my finger, just pull them apart. And then this is not on yet. You just want to prepare everything into the wok and then add about 2 to 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. And this sauce, it is a beef liquid concentrate, about 1/4 cup or to taste. And then also about 1 to 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. And that's about it. We're just gonna saute it now, or heat up this is electric wok, so heat up the electric wok and then just saute it until everything's softened and nice. You may add a little broth if you'd like, or just water. But sometimes, or most of the times, the mushroom itself will produce water unless you squeeze them really hard after you rinse it. So just stir fry them and adjust the flavor to your liking. But I'm also gonna add 1 more spices that I'm gonna show you. Once I feel that the mushroom soften, carrot soften, then I will add that spices. So this is what I'm gonna add it to it's called Shichimi, red pepper mix. Just about 1 teaspoon or more or less, it's up to your liking, just to kick it up a notch. And voila! Bon appetit!